Hello dear friends, if you want to change your YouTube channel country names, then follow some very simple steps that I'm showing here in this video. So let's get started. But first thing first, I want to let you know one thing. You can't change your YouTube channel country from YouTube application or from YouTube Studio. Go to your Chrome browser and now type here. You gotta search here studio.youtube.com, and if you're opening your channel in Chrome browser for the first time, you'll be asked to sign in by entering your Gmail address and password. And even after signing in your channel, if you aren't getting this interface, then what to do? Look at the top right corner, you see that icon here, so click on it. And now see here there is a desktop side option. First you gotta select this box. And now for your help, let me zoom in on the face a little bit. And now go to the bottom left corner. See there is a settings icon here, so click on it, and now you get some options here, general, channel, upload defaults. Just click on channel, and now see under the basic information, there is an option country of residence. And if you want to change your country, just click on this down arrow icon, and now all the country names will be pop up here, and now select your country that you want to keep for your channel. That's it. And after selecting your country, scroll left a little bit. Now look at the bottom right corner, you see a save option here. So after selecting your country, you gotta save on the save option, okay? And thus you can change your YouTube channel country name. So if you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like. And if you want more of this kind of helpful and informative videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you, bye bye.